Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to today's session. We are going to be discussing how to conclude a research paper. I'm Lucy Wanjiro. Welcome on board. So, why do we have to conclude an academic research paper? Number one, to provide a summary of your findings. You write a conclusion so that you wrap up your study. You reiterate the key findings and discuss their broader implications. That is how you're concluding. You are wrapping up your study. You are reiterating the key findings. You're discussing the broader implications of your study. Number two, you're highlighting significance. How? You emphasize the significance and implications of your research work. And number three, you encourage reflection. Encourage your readers on the importance of the broader impact of your study. Give them time to reflect on how important it was for you to do this particular study. Right? Now, this is a structured approach of writing a conclusion. You begin by restating the research problem or objective. Begin restating the main research problem and objective, and concisely remind readers of the purpose of your study. Then number two, summarize the key findings. Provide a very brief summary of the main findings of your research by highlighting the most significant results and any patterns and trends that emerged in your analysis, right? The third thing you do, discuss the implications. Remember, this is the conclusion. You are concluding your study. So discuss, explore the implications of your findings. How do they contribute to the existing body of knowledge in your field? And what are the practical or theoretical implications of your findings, right? Then address the limitations. You have to acknowledge any limitations or constraints of your study. When you acknowledge limitations and constraints in your study, you are demonstrating that you have a very critical understanding of your research, and you are helping to contextualize the findings of your study. Do not be afraid to address limitations and constraints of your study. It's very, very important. Then, number four, reinforce the contribution. Emphasize the contributions of your research to the field of study. Highlight its significance, its relevance. Explain how it advances understanding or addresses gaps in knowledge, right? Then you end up on a strong note. End on a strong note. Write your conclusion with a strong, memorable statement that reinforces the importance of your research and leaves a lasting impression on your reader. When that person is reading that statement, your concluding statement, you are leaving a lasting impression in their minds. All right? Good. Now, tips for writing an effective conclusion. Number one, conciseness. Avoid introducing new ideas in the conclusion. No, don't introduce any new idea in your conclusion. Number two, connect your conclusion to your introduction, right? Create a sense of wholeness, all right? Then consider your readers. Think about the impact on your readers. Think about what impression you want to leave on your readers, and shape your conclusion according to that impression you want to leave on your readers. All right. Key takeaways for today. Summarize your findings. How? Recap the research findings and the implications. Avoid new information. Do not introduce anything new in your conclusion. And the third takeaway, reflect and connect. Encourage reflection and connection to the broader context of your study. With those few remarks, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining our academic research journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Then give us a thumbs up, like, share, and also do not forget to engage us on the comment section, because we want to hear your reviews, your questions, your suggestions. Until next time, happy researching. My name is Lucy Wanjiro. Adios.